What's up everybody, the rules here. Right now I'm in Pittsburgh, I'm waiting for the bus going to New York right now. Anyway, I wanna tell you some crazy story which happened to me today. So you know I'm Russian, right? And there was like two people, they came to me, started asking questions where to get some tickets, so I told them. And this is actually where I stand. This is where they went to get tickets, where I told them to go. So, here's the thing. So basically we just talk, you know, I found out that girl, she's Russian, she came in student visa, she's like a little bit like younger than me, around my age, you know, and she's very cute, tall girl, Russian girl and stuff. So we just talked a little bit, etc, etc. And then her mom told me, you know what she told me? She told me, why don't you marry my daughter? And I'm like, you know, I was thinking like, okay, maybe her mom doesn't know. And I, you know, maybe I said something stupid that I said, well, maybe she has a boyfriend. And the reason why I said that is because I was confused. I didn't know what to say, because it's basically her mom proposed me to her daughter, whom I just met like a couple minutes before on the fucking bus station. And I just didn't know what to say, you know, you just cannot meet people randomly on the bus station and get married. How crazy is that? And when I started talking about the boyfriend, the daughter left, and the mom said, you know what, my daughter just got upset. And I'm like, okay. You know what, she got upset, but I just got shocked, because how the hell I'm just gonna find my wife on the bus station, think about it. And yes, she was very cute girl, you know, she was really beautiful and everything. But I just didn't know how to react when her mom is saying that, you know what, marry my daughter. You know, I just don't roll like that. I just kind of put me like, what the hell, like random girl from Pittsburgh, and then I'm from, you know, from Ohio, and you know, maybe I'm gonna go to New York, whatever, but do long distance relationship with that girl, or I don't know, it's just bullshit, you know. Anyway guys, that was my story. Feel free to leave a comment with your response in the section below. I would like to know what you think about this crazy story about that woman telling me to marry her daughter, whom I was seeing first time in my life, and who lives like, what, at least 3-4 hours away from me and stuff like that. So, let me know what you think, and let me know what I should have done. And again, you know, she was staying in Pittsburgh and I basically was on my way to New York. So, kind of put me off guard. So let me know what you think. That's all I'm gonna say. All the best to you guys. Peace out. Later.